In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website mobile friendly. 2026 guide. Wix already does the heavy lifting for you behind the scenes. Its responsive engine automatically fits your site to different screen sizes without any custom code. That means your pages will load and function on phones right out of the box. Your job is to polish how everything looks on smaller screens so it's clean, readable, and visually consistent. Start by treating the desktop version as your foundation. Build and refine your core layout there first, your text, images, backgrounds, and overall structure. When you update content on desktop, those changes carry over to the mobile view automatically, keeping everything in sync. The reverse isn't true, and that's a good thing. Any tweaks you make in the mobile editor, like moving elements or changing font sizes for readability, will not affect your desktop design. Think of mobile edits as a protective layer that lets you fine-tune the experience without risking your main site. Once your desktop is in a good place, switch to the mobile editor by clicking the smartphone icon at the top of the Wix editor. You'll see your page inside a phone frame, so you can work exactly where visitors will view it. Use this space to polish, not to rebuild. Now, refine the visuals from top to bottom. Realign elements that may have shifted or stacked awkwardly. Drag images, text boxes, and buttons into a clear vertical flow, and use the guides to keep consistent spacing. Adjust text sizes so everything is easy to read on a small screen. Body copy should feel comfortable without zooming, and headings should stand out without overwhelming the page. Increase line spacing if the text feels cramped, and make buttons large enough to tap easily with generous padding and clear labels. For images, check how they crop on the narrower canvas. Reposition or scale them so the focal point, like a product, a face, or a dish, stays centered and visible. If a background image is getting clipped, shift its focus so key details aren't lost behind the frame. Here's the best part. Responsiveness is automatic. You don't need to manage breakpoints or write a single line of code. When you publish, Wix adapts your layout to different devices. Your role is simply to make it look its best. Recap. Design on desktop first, switch to the mobile editor, tidy alignment, adjust text and button sizes, and refine image focus. Publish with confidence, knowing Wix handles the tech while you control the finish. Thanks for watching.